Good morning. Okay, give me a view. Good morning. I don't know whether this is going to be a separate video or it's going to be a new video. So if you're new here, my name's Chris. I'm converting this ex-U-Haul truck into a work living space, and I've been painting recently, but I didn't finish painting. Today, guess what I'm doing? Think in your head. You just mentioned painting. That's correct. I'm finishing painting. You thought I was going to misdirect you, but yeah, I'm actually going to finish painting today. So what an intro. You can tell I'm tired. I'm going to finish painting. The paint has made a big difference to the vibe. It's hard to describe the change in vibe, but there's definitely a change in vibe. Having lighter walls and not brown, crappy plywood is satisfying. Definitely satisfying. So I bought a brand new can of paint. Obviously, for the most part of these walls, 2 coats I think was enough. I need to do edges around the places that I did paint because there's a lot of gaps. I also need to do the wall and door going into the cab area. And I think I'm going to do the lower cabinets. I think I'm going to paint them white as well. It is about 6:30 on a Sunday morning, and I've been working for an hour doing my work. But I think I'm going to dig in and spend the rest of the day painting. It's a bit of a ball ache. So I thought I would enjoy the painting more than I am, but it needs to be done, and I'm going to do it. Somebody asked me what keeps my motivation going when I clearly don't enjoy this process. I've enjoyed most of this build process. The problem has been just a small amount of time that I've been trying to cram everything into. So that's why my videos are kind of inconsistent at the moment as well. Anyway, that's my plan for today. Get a bunch more painting done, get a lot of it finished, and see how it looks. Getting a lot done. We're getting a lot done. So at this point, I have I've done a second coat on the desk area. I've done a first coat on the lower cabinets. I've done a kind of a first coat on the grandma's attic and cab door. I've done a first coat on the desk drawers, which I wasn't planning on doing today, but whatever. A first coat on the power station, power cabinet doors. What I'm just about to do, I'm about to do a first coat on my little footrest, I guess you call it. One thing that I've not been doing at all, that probably a lot of people are dying inside about, I have not sanded any of this plywood, which is definitely the laziest way to do it, as is the usual way that I do this. I just want to get, I'm not doing an eye for detail, I just want to get as much done as possible. So I'm going for the 80%, not the 20%, and then maybe we can do more of the detailed stuff later on. So I'm going to paint this box. I'm trying to figure out whether I'm going to paint underneath the desk as well. I probably will do. That'd be very lazy if I didn't. Bah. currently 20 to 5, and there's a lot done. Let me just do a little scan around just to show you what has been achieved so far. So we have that corner painted, the trim sort of area trimmed there as well. We've kind of gone up on that. That's going to have trim. Well, let's get in. Yeah, so that area is going to have trim between the wall and the ceiling. Same across there. There's going to be trim, but I've kind of painted that. I've topped up that. I've gone down the edges there. I've done this bit of the door that was missing all down here. I've started to square away that a little bit. I have done trimmed around the edges of that. I've done this whole entire box. I have, with this, originally I was kind of skipping over it. I was kind of avoiding it, and then I was like, why am I avoiding it? Why don't I just paint it? There's no reason to not paint it, so I just painted over it. I'm gonna get it all blocked off anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So painted all through that. I painted, I kind of painted a first coat here as well. I've done a second coat across there. I've obviously done first coat on this bit and the door, and now the main, and the other thing that I've done is I've done the first coat here on these doors as well. So next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing a first coat here and here, up here as well. I'll do first coat. I'm going to do a first coat on this side here of the kitchen, and then just to finish it all off, I'm still getting used to this gimbal, guys, sorry about this. Then to finish it off, I'm going to do second coat on these doors here, because this, by the time I finish this bit, this will be completely ready for a second coat, I think, almost. So that is my plan. I'm going to be honest with you, I am pretty pooped because it has been 12 hours now? 12 hours that I've been doing everything today. Or that I've been awake for, at least. So, yeah, it's moving. It's moving. But it's looking pretty good, and it's feeling less wooded. The last thing that I'm really thinking of is the lazy / impatient part of me is thinking, do I just paint these right now? I probably won't because it's so late. But it's been in my mind, at least. So let's crack on with the last little bits and cap off this day a little bit. All right, I've got pretty much everywhere that I was considering putting painted. Some with a couple of paints. The last thing that I'm gonna do is underneath my desk, there's the wooden bits. Let me show you. There's the wooden bits there, and obviously on this side. This I've been putting off covering with plywood or something. I'm still not 100% sure what I'm going to do to cover it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it for now. I'm just going to put one coat of paint on it just to stop it being blue, and I will still figure out what I'm going to do afterwards. That's kind of my answer to everything right now, is just paint first, figure it out later. All right, I'm officially done. I'm beyond tired. I am beyond tired, and I need to aerate this place out. So what I'm going to do right now is just tidy up, put the paint away, and leave my windows open pretty much all night, and my air conditioning on very high. And also clear the paint off the floor. It's 6 p.m. So I've been working 12 and a half hours straight. I need to shower badly and tidy up badly. I'm not ordering myself food because I decided to have a month where I do not order myself any food and just cook. So I'm going to do that, cook. Okay, let's get tidied up and stuff. And I got so tired that I forgot to close out this video. So as you can see, as I'm tidying up, there is, it's looking a lot better. It's looking a lot brighter. It is not going to stay completely white, but after 12 hours of painting, I was just like, this will do for now. But there will definitely be more changes to this paint. That's it for now. For now, I'm clocking out.